Welcome to our journey through the forest, where we'll uncover some fascinating facts about reptiles that call this place home. These often elusive creatures, masters of camouflage and survival, play a vital role in the delicate balance of these ecosystems. Join me as we delve into the hidden world of forest reptiles, exploring their unique adaptations, behaviors, and the challenges they face in a changing world. From the smallest lizard to the largest snake, the forest holds a remarkable diversity of reptilian life waiting to be discovered. The forest presents a unique set of challenges for its inhabitants, and reptiles are no exception. Over millennia, these cold-blooded creatures have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in this environment. Take, for instance, the chameleon, a master of disguise. Its skin, containing specialized cells called chromatophores, allows it to change color, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. This camouflage is not merely for show, it's a crucial survival tactic, allowing the chameleon to ambush unsuspecting insects and avoid detection by predators. But camouflage is just one tool in the reptile's arsenal. Consider the emerald tree boa. Its vibrant green scales a perfect match for the lush foliage of its rainforest home. This arboreal hunter possesses an incredible prehensile tail, acting as a fifth limb to navigate the canopy with ease. Its heat-sensing pits, located between the eyes and nostrils, allow it to detect the body heat of warm-blooded prey, even in complete darkness. From the forest floor to the highest branches, reptiles have evolved a dazzling array of adaptations to conquer the challenges of their environment. Their scales, often brightly colored or intricately patterned, provide protection from predators and the elements. Many species, like the venomous gaboon viper, rely on potent venom to subdue their prey, while others, like the agile green mamba, use speed and agility to their advantage. Forest ecosystems are renowned for their biodiversity, and reptiles are no exception to this rule. From the humid rainforests of the Amazon to the temperate woodlands of North America, each forest type harbors a unique assemblage of reptilian life. In the dappled light of the rainforest understory, you might encounter the vibrant green iguana, a herbivore with a spiky crest and dewlap. These large lizards are often seen basking on branches, absorbing the sun's warmth to regulate their body temperature. Venture deeper into the forest, and you might stumble upon the secretive Matamata turtle. This bizarre-looking reptile, with its flattened shell and snorkel-like snout, is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly with the leaf litter on the forest floor. Its ambush predatory strategy is highly effective, lying in wait for unsuspecting fish to come within striking distance. The forest is also home to a dazzling array of snakes, each species with its own unique adaptations and hunting strategies. The king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, roams the forests of Southeast Asia, preying on other snakes, including cobras. Its venom, a potent neurotoxin, can deliver a fatal bite to its prey. Within the complex web of life that defines a forest ecosystem, reptiles play an indispensable role. As both predators and prey, they help to regulate populations and maintain the delicate balance of the food chain. Consider the insectivorous lizards, such as the agile skinks and geckos that patrol the forest floor. These reptiles consume vast quantities of insects, many of which are considered pests. Larger reptiles, like snakes and monitor lizards, occupy a higher position in the food chain, preying on rodents, birds, and other small animals. Their role in controlling rodent populations is particularly important, as rodents can cause significant damage to crops and spread diseases. Even the feared venomous snakes play a vital role in the ecosystem. Their venom, while dangerous to humans, is a natural part of the food web, allowing them to subdue their prey and contribute to the balance of nature. The presence of reptiles in the forest is an indicator of a healthy ecosystem. Their decline or disappearance can have cascading effects on other species and the overall health of the forest. Forest reptiles exhibit a fascinating array of behaviors, many of which are shrouded in secrecy. Take, for instance, the elaborate courtship rituals of some snake species. Male garter snakes emerge from hibernation in the spring and engage in a mating ball, where dozens of males writhe and compete for access to a single female. Parental care, while not common among reptiles, is exhibited by some forest-dwelling species. The female green anaconda, one of the world's largest snakes, gives birth to live young and protects them for several weeks after birth. Many forest reptiles are also surprisingly social creatures. Tortoises, for example, often congregate around watering holes, while some lizard species establish territories and communicate with each other through a complex system of head bobs, push-ups and color changes. Their behaviors, often overlooked, provide a glimpse into the hidden lives of these fascinating creatures. The world's forests face unprecedented threats from deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change. As key indicators of environmental health, reptiles are particularly vulnerable to these changes. Many species are experiencing population declines, and some are on the brink of extinction. The destruction of rainforest habitat for agriculture, logging, and mining is a major threat to countless reptile species. As their habitat shrinks, so too do their chances of survival. Climate change poses another significant challenge. Reptiles, as cold-blooded animals, are highly sensitive to changes in temperature and precipitation. Rising temperatures can disrupt their breeding cycles, alter their behavior, and even affect the sex ratios of their offspring. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these ancient and fascinating creatures. By establishing protected areas, promoting sustainable forestry practices, and addressing climate change, we can help to ensure the survival of forest reptiles for generations to come. Their presence in our forests is a testament to the resilience of life and a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of forest reptiles, from the chameleon's camouflage to the snake's crucial role in the food chain. We've witnessed the remarkable adaptations and behaviors that allow these creatures to thrive in these complex ecosystems, but their future is far from certain. As we've seen, deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change pose significant threats to their survival. It's our responsibility to protect these ancient and fascinating creatures, not just for their sake, but for the health of our planet. By supporting conservation efforts, raising awareness about their plight, and making sustainable choices in our own lives, we can help to ensure that future generations can marvel at the wonders of forest reptiles. Stay tuned for more amazing wildlife facts.